In this video, I will demo Perplexity AI, finances, spaces, search, templates, and voice. Today we are going to explore one more AI, Perplexity AI. So we will look into that. So this AI having models to choose from: Sonar, Gemini, GPT, Claude Sonnet, and Grok. And Claude Opus is the recent model, and Kimi. So on the other hand, we have the finance tab. While clicking on the finance tab, we have access to share market details, so we can look into that. So we can check for latest stock trendings and stock information, news, everything in this single tab. So currently we are checking Tech Mahindra, HCL Technologies, Persistent Systems, and their graph. So while click on that, we can have a detailed view of this HCL technology stocks. So we can get information from this, or we can search for the stocks what you preferred. For example, here I am going into IDFC Bank Limited. So currently I am checking this stock is in downtrend right now. So we can get the latest financial details and historical data, and what are the earnings of this bank. So make use of that, we can make use of that. So after that, here it is, we can watch what are the losers, gainers. We can create a watch list. So what are the stocks we can grouping, we can make use of that. So all finance informations you can check here in Perplexity Finance. Make use of it. We have asked anything about Indian markets. So this is the tab. We can ask here what is trending right now in Indian stock market. So it is retrieving answers. So it is searching multiple sources of websites, and these models filtered out the results like this. Top gainers. So the stock JK Bank, Natco Pharma. So these are top gainers. So these are current market price. Top losers like Coforge, Persistence, HCL Tech. So these are the losers. So we can get informations like this. So we can filter out which sector is good for investing right now. Like this we can ask which sector is good for investing right now. So it is searching around multiple websites and real stock news, and it is filtered out like finance sector, pharmaceuticals, banks, IT software, and power generation. Okay, so make use of this search engine. So you can also change the model like Gemini, GPT, Claude Sonnet, Opus, Grok. You need to sign in to access those models. Based on that, you can get accurate and clarity of information related to your search. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we are going to explore the voice feature. So it is listening now. Okay, what is trending in Tamil Nadu politics? So these are the results. So now our voice is converted into a prompt. Search text, voice to text, what is trending in Tamil Nadu politics. So it's bring the results of this: VK Sasikala's new party launch, Thalapathy Vijay TVK momentum, DMK Congress alliance. So these are trending in Tamil Nadu politics. So it brings the major important bullet points, not everything. So it is useful. It is useful in filtering out important information. So next we are going to explore spaces. So these spaces provide templates. So these are the available templates in Perplexity AI. So we can explore one by one. So these have life, technology, finance, sales and marketing, so deep search, people and ops, and education. So the education has we can use this template for essay writing. This is for study guide generator for teaching purposes, and we can use this deep search for research any topics, and sales and marketing we can use for our day-to-day purposes. For example, interview role play, we can um, act as a interviewer and candidate. So if you want to write any blog post, we can make use of this blog post generator. So if you want to create any social media, you can use social media post, you can use social media post generator. And if you want to write an email, you can use the email generator. So if you want to build your profile, social media profile or anything, so you have to use profile builder. So if you want to create wiki pages, use team wiki. So if you want to use a translator, use English to German translator and more. So coming to finance tab, this is the case study. We can make use of it. And this is stock screener. So using this stock screener, when it go to stock screener, ask any questions about stocks. Okay, so you can ask any questions like Indian oil, so it fetches the Indian oil stock and its latest reports. So we can see the market price and how the currently how the stock is behaving and trading, like that informations. You can go back to the spaces and you can access those in the templates. Coming to technology, so here you can use with whatever you need to do. So here coming to money manager, take control of your finances. So what we can do, we can attach some files. For example, financial goals review, debt payoff plan, savings tracker, monthly budget plan. So these are some of the files available. So like that you can attach that file and you can ask any questions related to that. So you can attach the debt pay, what are the debts you have, what are the loans you have taken. So you can attach and you can ask a review and suggest a good plan to solve this problem, like that. Okay.